Hello students, today our topic of discussion is Lagrange's equation by method of multipliers. In partial differential equation, equation of the form PP plus QQ equals to R can be solved by method of multipliers. So in the given problem, which is type of PP plus QQ equals to R, we compare given equation with its standard form and we can find capital P, capital Q and capital R, which are the function of x, y and z, and where P and Q stands for del z over del x and del z over del y. In this method, first of all we make an auxiliary equation dx upon P equals to dy upon capital Q equals to dz upon capital R, and we have to choose three multipliers L, M and N which can be constant or function of x, y, z such that LP plus MQ plus NR must be 0. And given auxiliary equation can be written as dx by P equals to dy by Q equals to dz by R equals to LdX plus Mdy plus NdZ upon LP plus MQ plus NR. And when LP plus MQ plus NR equals to 0, then numerator LdX plus Mdy plus NdZ will be 0. And after integrating this equation, we get a solution, say u equals to C1. Again, in the similar way, we choose another set of multipliers L1, M1 and N1 and we find a solution, say v equals to C2. Therefore, required solution will be function of u comma v equals to 0. On this method, our first example is solve mz minus ny del z over del x plus nx minus lz del z over del y equals to ly minus mx. So first of all, we will compare the given problem with P del z over del x plus Q del z over del y equals to R, where we know del z over del x is small p and del z over del y is small q. Now auxiliary equation is dx upon P equals to dy upon Q equals to dz upon R. So after comparing given problem with PP plus QQ equals to R, we get P equals to mz minus ny, Q equals to nx minus lz and R equal to ly minus mx. Therefore auxiliary equation become dz upon mz minus ny equals to dy upon nx minus lz equals to dz upon ly minus mx. Now we choose three multiplier x, y, z and each fraction will equal to x dx plus mdy plus ndz upon x into mz minus ny plus y into nx minus lz plus z into ly minus mx. And after solving these three terms, we get 0. Therefore, x dx plus y dy plus z dz will be 0. On integrating this equation, we get x square plus y square plus z square equal to C1. Again, choosing another set of multipliers, say L, M and N, where L, M and R are constants, each fraction will equal to LdX plus Mdy plus NdZ upon L into mz minus ny plus m into lx minus nx minus lz and n into ly minus mx. So after solving this denominator term, we get LdX plus Mdy plus NdZ upon 0. Therefore, LdX plus Mdy plus NdZ equals to 0, and on integration we get Lx plus My plus nz equal to C2. So which is another solution, and therefore our required solution is x square plus y square plus z square equals to function of Lx plus My plus nz, function of Lx plus My plus nz. which is another method to write a solution. Next example is solve the partial differential equation yz upon y minus z upon yz into p. Here this will be plus. In place of equal, this will be plus. Z minus x upon z into q equals to x minus y upon xy. So solution. First of all, we are multiplying the given problem with x, y and z. So given equation become x into y minus z into p plus y into z minus x into q equals to z into x minus y. And the auxiliary equation is dx upon p plus equals to dy upon q equals to dz upon r, where x into y minus z is the value of p, y into z minus x is the value of q, and z into x minus y is the value of r. And we can write each fraction equal to the sum of the numerator term and denominator term, which is dx plus dy plus dz upon x into y minus z plus y into z minus x plus z into x minus y, which become dx plus dy plus dz upon 0. It implies that dx plus dy plus dz equal to 0. On integration, we get x plus y plus z equals to an arbitrary constant, say a. Again, given problem can be written as, in this auxiliary equation, these three fractions can also written as dx upon x upon y minus z equal to dy upon y into z upon z minus x equal to dz upon z upon x minus y. And again we are adding numerator and denominator terms, and each fraction will equal to dx upon x plus dy upon y plus dz upon z upon the sum of denominator terms, which is y minus z plus z minus x plus x minus y. And after solving this fraction, we get dx upon x plus dy upon y plus dz upon z upon 0. Therefore, it implies that dx upon x plus dy upon y plus dz upon z equal to 0. And after integrating, we get log x plus log y plus log z equals to, we are adding an arbitrary constant log b, which implies that, which can be written as, by using properties of log x y z equal to log b, and which implies that x y z equals to b. So this one is another solution, and in equation 2 we have one solution. So our required solution will be x y z equals to function of x plus y plus z, and this is our answer. Next example is, find the general solution of y plus z into p minus x plus z into q equal to x minus y. After comparing this equation with p plus q equals to r, we have capital P equal to y plus z, capital Q equals to minus x plus z, and capital R equal to x minus y. Therefore, auxiliary equation with the equation become dx upon y plus z equal to dy upon minus x plus y equal to dz upon x minus y. Now, this auxiliary equation also can become dx upon y plus z equal to dy upon minus x plus y equal to dz upon x minus y equal to, we are adding numerator and denominator terms directly, and we get dx plus dy plus dz upon 0. After adding these three denominator terms, we are getting 0, which implies that dx plus dy plus dz equal to 0. On integration, this equation become x plus y plus z equal to c1, where c1 is an integrating constant, and this one is our solution. To find another solution, we are choosing x, y and minus z as another set of multipliers, and our auxiliary equation become dx upon y plus z equals to dy upon minus x plus y equal to dz upon x minus y equals to x dx plus y dy minus z dz upon after multiplying with the multipliers and adding denominator terms, it becomes 0, which implies that x dx plus y dy minus z dz equal to 0. And after integrating this equation, we get x square by 2 plus y square by 2 minus z square by 2 equal to another integrating constant c2, which can also written as x square plus y square minus z square equal to 2c2. Therefore, by equation 3 and 4, our required solution is function of x plus y plus z, x square plus y square minus z square equal to 0. This is our answer. Next example is solve the differential equation x square upon into del z over del x plus y square del z over del y equal to x plus y into z. So first of all, we will compare this equation with pp plus qq equals to r, and here capital P is x square, capital Q is y square, and capital R is equals to x plus y into z. Therefore, auxiliary equation is dx upon x square equal to dy upon y square equal to dz upon x plus y into z. So in question we can also use grouping method. So we can see that in this problem, if we take first two members of auxiliary equation, so we can find our first solution. So after taking first two terms dx upon x square equal to dy upon y square, and after integrating these two terms, we get minus 1 upon x equal to minus 1 upon y plus c, and 1 upon x minus 1 upon y equal to c. So this is our first solution. And for another solution, our auxiliary equation also can written as dx upon x dy upon y plus dz upon z upon x plus y, and after adding numerator and denominator terms, these fractional term must equal to dx upon x plus dy upon y minus dz upon z upon x plus y minus x plus y. It is seeming like we have choosing 1 1 and minus 1 as multipliers. So this equation, in this equation, denominator become x plus y minus x plus y, which is 0, which is implies that dx upon x plus dy upon y minus dz upon z equal to 0. On integrating, we get log x plus log y minus log z equal to another integrating constant log c2. By the property of log, it can be written as log xy upon z equal to log c2, or xy upon z equal to c2, which is our another solution. Therefore, our solution is f of 1 upon x minus 1 upon y, comma xy upon z equal to 0. So this is our answer. By this way, you can solve these 4 questions also. Thank you.